Hello, welcome to my channel AMS RCM Healthcare Solutions. Today I am going to explain you about denial reason CO16 in medical coding and billing. Denial occurs when a claim or service is missing vital information or has errors in submission or billing. It means that the insurance company cannot process the claim due to incomplete or incorrect details. For instance, if the patient's date of birth or insurance policy number is not provided, or if the claim form is not properly filled out, it can result in a CO16 denial. Let's see example. Imagine a scenario where a medical office submits a claim for a patient's recent visit to the doctor. However, they accidentally forget to include the patient's date of birth on the claim form. Since the insurance company needs this important information to verify the patient's identity and process the claim, they issue a CO16 denial. The denial occurs because the claim lacks vital information, in this case, the patient's date of birth. This highlights the importance of providing complete and accurate details on the claim form to prevent CO16 denials. Let's come in next paragraph. Submission or billing errors can also lead to a CO16 denial. These errors may include using incorrect procedure or diagnosis codes, not following the insurance company's specific formatting requirements, or failing to attach required supporting documents. For example, if a claim is submitted with an invalid or unrecognized procedure code, the insurance company will issue a CO16 denial. Let's see example. Consider a scenario where a medical office submits a claim for a patient's surgery. However, instead of using the correct procedure code for that specific surgery, they mistakenly enter a different code that is not recognized by the insurance company. As a result, the insurance company issues a CO16 denial because the submitted claim contains an incorrect procedure code. This denial could have been avoided by accurately using the appropriate procedure code that aligns with the performed surgery. It emphasizes the importance of using correct codes and following the insurance company's specific requirements to prevent CO16 denials. Now paragraph 3. To avoid CO16 denials, it is crucial to ensure all necessary information is accurately provided on the claim form. Double-checking patient demographic information, policy details, and coding accuracy is important. For instance, when submitting a claim for a medical procedure, the medical coder must accurately assign the correct procedure code and ensure that it aligns with the patient's diagnosis. Let's see example. Imagine you visit a doctor because you're experiencing chest pain. After examining you, the doctor determines that you need to undergo a procedure called an electrocardiogram, ECG, to check your heart's electrical activity. The doctor's office then fills out a claim form to request payment from your health insurance company for the cost of the ECG. In order to avoid a CO16 denial, which means the insurance company rejects the claim, it is crucial that all the necessary information is accurately provided on the claim form. This includes your personal details like your name, address, and insurance policy information. It's important to double-check these details to make sure they are correct. Additionally, the medical coder at the doctor's office must assign the correct procedure code for the ECG. This code tells the insurance company what specific medical service was provided. It is important that the medical coder accurately assigns the correct code that aligns with your diagnosis, which in this case is the chest pain. By ensuring that all the necessary information is accurately provided on the claim form and that the procedure code matches your diagnosis, you can help prevent a CO16 denial. This will increase the chances of your health insurance company approving the claim and covering the cost of the ECG procedure. Paragraph 4. Reviewing the insurance company's specific billing guidelines and requirements is vital to prevent CO16 denials. This includes understanding any pre-authorization or referral processes, timely filing limits, and specific documentation requirements. For instance, if a claim is submitted without the required pre-authorization for a specialized test or procedure, it may be denied with a CO-16 code. Example: imagine you have been experiencing chronic back pain, and your doctor recommends that you undergo a magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) scan to further evaluate the cause of your pain. Before scheduling the MRI, it is important to review your health insurance policy's guidelines. Upon reviewing your insurance company's guidelines, you find that they require pre-authorization for specialized tests like an MRI. Pre-authorization means getting approval from your insurance company before the test or procedure is performed. Without pre-authorization, your claim for the MRI may be denied with a CO-16 code. To prevent a CO-16 denial, you contact your doctor's office and inform them about the pre-authorization requirement. They assist you in initiating the pre-authorization process by submitting the necessary documentation to your insurance company. The insurance company reviews the information and, if approved, provides you and your doctor with an authorization number. Once the pre-authorization is obtained, you can proceed with scheduling the MRI. It is essential to adhere to any specific timing requirements mentioned in your insurance policy, such as submitting the claim within a certain time frame after the procedure. By understanding and following your insurance company's guidelines, including obtaining pre-authorization for specialized tests and adhering to timely filing limits, you can minimize the chances of receiving a CO-16 denial. This ensures that your claim for the MRI scan is processed successfully, and the cost of the procedure is covered by your health insurance. User. Paragraph 5. In summary, CO-16 denials occur when a claim or service lacks necessary information or contains errors in submission or billing. These errors can be as simple as missing patient details or as complex as using incorrect codes. By ensuring accurate and complete information, adhering to billing guidelines, and verifying the validity of codes, you can minimize CO-16 denials and ensure smoother processing of medical claims. For example, let's say a medical office submits a claim for a patient's recent visit but forgets to include the patient's insurance policy number. Without this crucial information, the insurance company cannot identify the policy and process the claim, resulting in a CO-16 denial. In another scenario, a billing error occurs when a medical coder assigns an incorrect procedure code for a surgery. If the submitted claim contains this erroneous code, the insurance company will issue a CO-16 denial because the procedure listed does not match the diagnosis or is not recognized by the insurer. To avoid CO-16 denials, medical coders and billing staff should carefully review the claim forms before submission, ensuring that all required patient information is complete and accurate. Additionally, they should stay updated on the insurance company's specific guidelines and coding requirements to minimize errors and prevent CO-16 denials from occurring. Thanks for watching. To learn more, subscribe.